All right, so in this quick video, I'm just going to show you how you can restore a Tron wallet into Klever. Now, just to clarify really quickly, there seems to be, easy confusion when we are referencing and we say Tron wallet, Tron wallet, Tron wallet. Well, because any application that we're working with at the moment in a smart contract situation is using Tron. And, so you could call Klever a Tron wallet. You could call TronLink a Tron wallet. But in this case, there's actually a branded application called TronWallet. And for this particular video, at the time of this recording, TronWallet is still an active application. It's a mobile application. It works on your phone. You can see the icon right here on this part of the screen in the screenshot. And to the left, you can also see the Klever application icon is also a mobile app that you use on your phone. Both of these are wallets that allow you to have Tron. The Tron wallet is no longer being updated because Klever either purchased or rebranded, and they've decided to go with the new application called Klever. Okay. And so this process will show you if you happen to have, currency showing in your Tron wallet, how you can restore those into another application. Specifically, this video is Klever. You can do the same principles into other wallets as well because it's the same principles. No application, no wallet actually holds your cryptocurrencies. They're just a reflection of what's in and going on the blockchain. Okay, and so they use things called private keys to read this information, and so anyways, let's continue. So you open up your Tron wallet, okay, and in the bottom right there are three lines, commonly referred to as hamburger lines. You just tap those. On that page you'll find the backup wallet. Once you tap on backup wallet, it's either going to ask you for your PIN number that you created originally when you set up your wallet, or if you have it set to like facial recognition on an iOS device, it'll read your face, and then it's going to load up this page here where it says security alert. Now this is very important. It says your seed or private key give direct access to your account. So never give this information to others. Never. And this is 100% accurate. This key that you're getting right now is literally exposing your wallet. So when you tap on, okay, I got it, it's going to show, and you can see it's been blurred out on this screen here. But if you tap the stack papers, then you can copy this private key. And now you have it, and you're able to continue to the next part, which is to be able to go into Klever. So you're going to load up your Klever wallet. If you need to have already downloaded that onto your phone. Okay, and once you open the application, you can see here it says portfolio. There's a plus sign on the right. You tap that, and then you're going to go to import with private key. You tap that, and very simply, you're going to tap inside the box where it says private key and paste in the private key. Once you've done that, you're going to simply tap on import, and that's it. It's that fast. It'll actually import all the data that you have inside of your Tron wallet right into your Klever wallet. So now when you open your Klever wallet, you're going to see if you had $100 in Tron in your Tron wallet, you're going to see you have $100 in Tron in your Klever wallet. Now it's not that you've just duplicated your money, you're just mirroring the information. Okay, so if you actually spend money out of your Tron wallet, it will be spent out of your Klever wallet as well, or vice versa. And that's how simple it really is. And this same process can work with other wallets that are out there and available as well. I'll reference TronLink because some people don't just want to have access on their mobile device, so they might also want to have TronLink as a Chrome extension on their browser in their computer. And it'll be a similar process. You'd need to copy and get the private key, and then when you go and set up your TronLink on your Chrome extension, then you would paste that private key information when you're restoring your wallet, and it would then allow you to show the information inside of that wallet in that location. It's really that simple. So I hope you found this helpful and informative, and if you have any questions about anything, just go back, watch it again, and or leave a comment below.